Welcome back to Veteran Made. In the last video, we went through the design process on how to make this plaque. This time I'm going to speed things up a little bit, and basically I'm going to show you how I take this 1x6 pine board I got from Lowe's, and we're going to turn it into this. Let's get started. First thing I do, I find a piece of wood. I measure it to the size I want, and then I cut it on the table saw. Then I move over to the bandsaw and I resaw it to about a 1/2 inch thick. Then I sand it on a drum sander to get it nice and smooth and flat. I do some more sanding, and then I mark the center and measure the thickness. I put it in the CNC machine and then I carve it. After I carve it, I sand it, and I sand it some more. At which time I can finally stain it. I let it dry for a couple of days and throw a bunch of shellac and lacquer on it to make it look pretty. Next comes the main part of the plaque, the round part. I glue up 3 pieces of wood, making a 12-inch square 3/4 of an inch thick. I'll mark the center of the square and measure the thickness. Then I cut an 11-inch circle out on the X-Carve CNC machine. I sand it smooth on the drum sander, then I route the edges with a round over bit. I sand some more with the palm sander, and then I stain it with Minwax Early American Stain. After drying a couple of days, I spray several coats of shellac. After a couple more days, it's ready for the CNC machine. It takes about 45 minutes to carve this plaque. When it's finished carving, I check the insignias to make sure they have a good fit. Then I paint the lettering and the stars with black paint. I apply several coats of lacquer and let it dry. Then I put a metal card on the back with my logo and a D-ring. I glue in the insignias on the front, and this beauty is ready to ship out. And design this piece of we're going to get everything set to go so we can bring that design back down to the shop, load it up on the CNC, bring it back. Me. Like I said in the last video, we're going to go through the design process for the United States Army paratrooper. Dude, get it right. Like I said in the last video, we're going to